What if I told you that the road to success is not as straightforward as it seems? What if the key to unlocking your potential lies in the unspoken truths that many often overlook? Intriguing, isn't it? So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together, exploring the often untold realities of success. The first truth that every successful person knows is that success is never served on a silver platter. It's not a gift that you receive. It's a reward that you earn. Think about the most successful people you know. They didn't just stumble upon their achievements. No, they worked tirelessly, putting in countless hours, pushing their limits, and stepping out of their comfort zones. Now, you might be picturing success as a mountain of gold coins or a fleet of luxury cars. But the second truth is that success extends far beyond material wealth. It's about personal growth, finding fulfillment, and creating a positive ripple effect in the world. True success, the kind that leaves a legacy, is measured not by the money in your bank account, but by the lives you touch and the difference you make. But here's the third truth, a bitter pill to swallow. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Yes, you heard it right. Failure, the thing all of us fear and avoid, is actually a stepping stone on the pathway to success. Mistakes and setbacks, they're not roadblocks, but valuable lessons that shape and guide us. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. The final truth might surprise you, but success is never a solo journey. It's a collaborative effort. Surround yourself with people who share your vision, who uplift you, who challenge you to be better. Build a network of mentors, peers, and friends who will guide you, support you, and celebrate your victories with you. So, there you have it. The unspoken truths of success. Hard work, a broader understanding of what success truly means, embracing failure, and fostering a supportive network. These are the keys to unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. Now, before we part ways, remember the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and perseverance. But with these truths in mind, you're well equipped to navigate the path ahead. Thank you for joining in this exploration of success. If you found this video insightful, ensure to subscribe for more enlightening discussions and valuable tips. Unlock your potential, embrace the journey, and remember, success awaits those who dare to seek it.